So, hi everyone, I am Dr. Nupur Sinha, and I just want to share my experience with everyone who intends to learn pediatric echocardiography. And I'm a pediatrician, so I just wanted to learn about pediatric cardiology and including pediatric echocardiography. And I searched on Google, obviously, from to where to join, and I found Dr. Vikas Kohli, and I contacted him and joined his course. And the course, it was mainly online classes were there, so it was very precise and short lectures are there, so it was very beneficial. Means I'm a busy practitioner basically, so it was very easy for me to manage time. It was very convenient, means whatever time I wanted I could listen to the lectures, and they were very means enlightening, very clear, so it was very helpful. And after that I came here at his clinic for 3 days of contact program. And first let me make it clear, I had never held an echo probe. So, and for me, like, everything was just black, white and gray images. I never thought I could do an echo. So when I came here, I told him that I have never held an echo probe, and he said, don't worry, you will be able to do echo after 3 days. And actually he was right, and he was so good. Means I cannot emphasize enough how good he has been. So during 3 days of contact program, I learnt a lot about pediatric echo. So I learnt about the basic views and how to get the views, the finer movement, the finer details, and even about Doppler and the hemodynamics. And even I got hands-on experience. That is the most important thing. Means it was not just I was standing and looking at the echo. I did the echo on patients. So that is the best part of the contact program. And Dr. Kohli was always there, and he was very supportive, and he helped in whatever way he could. He helped me, and so I'll definitely recommend. Means people might think that what will you do in 3 days, but 3 days is something that makes a lot of difference. It made to me, and it will definitely help. And these 3 days, they were so fruitful, and like, I'm so confident now. It has made a lot of difference for someone who didn't know anything about echo, who had never held a probe. And now I'm so confident. Like, I'm not saying that I'm expert in doing echo, but definitely I can start. And I'm very clear, like, where I'm going, what I am supposed to do, what next. Join the stage 1 class program. So definitely I'll be joining the stage 2, and I'm sure that will be equally beneficial. And thank you so much.